Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Jura E6 espresso machine. It comes to the shop for tune-up. So I did that tune-up. I took off the Pro unit, replaced all the gaskets on there, and clean and lubricate all the moving parts in the machine, clean the spout, deep cleaning for the whole system. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. This is really amazing shot with thick crema and 3 layers coffee. So let's test the hot water. That works perfect. The machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.